Samsung has officially launched a 2-minute teaser video for its highly anticipated One UI 7 update, and it's packed with exciting new features like Now Brief, Now Bar, and Google Gemini. The teaser also highlights AI-powered tools such as sketch to image and improved search experience. This update promises to be more personalized, more intuitive, and more natural than any previous version of One UI. The video serves a dual purpose. First, it showcases the Galaxy S25 series as the best way to experience One UI 7, emphasizing its powerful hardware and seamless software integration. But at the same time, it hints at the upcoming release of the stable One UI 7 update for the Galaxy S24 lineup and older devices. Until now, users of these older devices have only been able to experience One UI 7 through a limited beta program, available in select regions. Now the wait is finally coming to an end. Samsung's teaser doesn't go into full detail about everything new in One UI 7, but its timing is what makes it significant. The company recently announced that the stable One UI 7 update would begin rolling out for Galaxy S24 users in certain regions on April 7. Following that, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 are expected to receive the update on April 10 and April 14, respectively. However, there was some confusion when Samsung unexpectedly retracted its April 10 release date for the United States, leaving many users wondering if a delay was on the horizon. For those worried about missing out, there's good news. It now appears that the One UI 7 update in the US may not be delayed after all. The sudden removal of Samsung's announcement last week led to speculation that the update might not arrive on time. But in a surprising turn of events, Samsung has now reinstated its April 10 release date on its official US newsroom. As of now, everything seems to be back on track, and One UI 7 is expected to roll out as originally planned. This means that if you own a Galaxy Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, or any device from the Galaxy S24 series, you should be getting the update soon. And that's not all. Many other Samsung devices are also set to receive One UI 7, making it one of the most anticipated software updates of the year. So what makes One UI 7 such a big deal? Beyond the visual changes, this update brings a whole new level of AI integration to Samsung devices. Features like Now Brief and Now Bar are designed to provide smarter and more efficient interactions, while Google Gemini adds an extra layer of AI-driven assistance. The sketch-to-image feature allows users to create digital artwork effortlessly, and AI-powered search makes finding content on your phone faster than ever. On top of that, One UI 7 is based on Android 15, meaning it comes with all the enhancements and new features that Google has introduced in its latest mobile operating system, be available on April 10 for US users and shortly after for others worldwide. So, if you own a compatible Galaxy device, keep an eye out for that software update notification. One UI 7 is just around the corner, and it's shaping up to be Samsung's most advanced and AI-powered update yet. With all the new features, design improvements, and AI enhancements, it's clear that Samsung is pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone experience can be. Get ready to take your Galaxy device to the next level. S25 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no inbox charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 GB of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 GB across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 GB as standard, with 512 GB available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256GB models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512GB, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512GB, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512GB, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25, 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus, 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra, 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes. 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you'd never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.